The National Association of Realtors says it fears the Republican tax reform plan could drive down the value of your house. NBC4's Washington correspondent Jessica Smith is live now in the nation's capital with that part of this story. Jessica?
Well, the National Association of Realtors is fighting the Republican tax reform plan. The group says the tax code needs to be simplified, but this is not the way to do it.
The National Association of Realtors says home values could drop 10% if the Republican tax reform plan is signed into law.
It will lead to a renter nation and away from owner nation.
The association says doubling the standard deduction would mean fewer people using the mortgage interest deduction. Chief economist Lawrence Yoon says that will give people less incentive to buy a home.
Over a long period, the renters do not accumulate wealth, so it will not be good for the country.
The association says states in more expensive regions of the country will be hit the hardest because more people use the mortgage interest and property tax deductions.
California, New Jersey, Massachusetts, these areas will see more negative impact from the tax reform.
Republicans argue doubling the standard deduction will put more money in taxpayers' pockets. Republican Senator Tim Scott.
We want to make sure that we lift some of the burden by letting you keep more of your hard-earned money.
Realtors also worry about the taxes homeowners pay after selling their homes. Currently, homeowners must live in their home for 2 years before selling in order to avoid capital gains taxes. Both the House and Senate plan would change that to 5 years.
Military families who have to move more frequently, or it's young families who find new jobs in different cities, they need to quickly move. Now the tax structure is penalizing.
Realtors fear all of these factors could send home prices tumbling.
Senator Portman was at the White House talking tax reform today. I did ask his office for an interview or a statement about how the tax plan could impact homeowners. A spokesperson sent me a statement that did not address the housing issue, but said the tax plan will benefit the middle class and increase wages. Live in Washington, Jessica Smith, NBC4.